Yes, this repair method works equally well on driveways and parking lots. For roadways, parking lots, driveways, and pathways, the best practice is to start by removing all loose material and standing water from the pothole using a stiff broom and a pump or wet vacuum if needed, because a clean, dry surface maximizes adhesion. For cold patch installations, compact the base with a hand tamper or plate compactor until it no longer moves underfoot, and then apply the material in layers no thicker than 2 inches, compacting each layer with even, overlapping passes to avoid voids. When using hot mix or heated pourable products, preheat the surrounding pavement slightly and work quickly to achieve bonding before the mix cools. Keep traffic staged away with cones and signs until the material has set to avoid disruption. For edge feathering on driveways where aesthetics matter, taper the new material into the existing surface with a trowel and compact lightly so the transition is smooth and water does not concentrate at the joint. Seal the repair with a thin coat of surface sealer when the patch has cured fully to protect against oxidation and moisture ingress and to extend the life of the repair. Always match the material type to expected traffic loads and underlying base condition, and document the repair with photos and notes on material used and compaction method for future maintenance planning. Common mistakes include failing to remove water and loose debris, which prevents adhesion and leads to early failure, so always dry and clean the hole, and, if necessary, use a bonding agent before placing the patch. Another frequent issue is undercompaction or overfilling in a single lift, which creates settlement or surface cracking. Correct this by placing material in thin layers and compacting each pass until firm. A third concern is using the wrong mix for the environment, such as a soft patch in heavy-duty commercial lots, which wears quickly. Choose a hot mix, or high-performance polymer-modified product for heavy loads and reserve cold patch for temporary or low-volume repairs. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical repair techniques and contractor experiences that help people choose the right approach. Our community discussions let us and other members ask questions, compare products, and post local contractor recommendations so everyone can find work or the help they need.